Oh, shut up. Okay, so I've got some weird and wonderful, crazy opportunity that's just popped up. Channel 4 basically asked me to be on a cooking show that's going to air, I don't know, next year I think, but it's filming in June. And honestly, I don't know why I'm excited or fucking terrified. Basically, it's a cooking competition. It's for a load of different fast food chains. You basically pitch ideas that you think would be good on their menu. So I'm going to go with a bit of Asian style. You cook it on the show, and then the winner actually has their item and stuff that they've cooked on menu. They actually found me through my TikTok, funnily enough, because I posted a couple of reviews. Slightly embarrassing, but also, who cares? I feel like it could either be like the best experience ever, or I completely embarrass myself on TV. But at the same time, when do you ever get this type of opportunity? Like, it's once in a lifetime. So I think I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I wanna just see what you guys think. And if you've got any tips or tricks about being on TV, if you've got any tips for my menu, send them over, put it in the comments. But yeah, wish me luck. As always, I hope you're having a lovely day. Love you all. Peace!